Ake ngithathe le ithuba ngibingelele baba udokotela wabesizibojalo uvona muhle ngathi ikhehla lomlungu. This is baba udokotela wabesizibojalo. I've got a topic today that says that dying poor is craven. Not craven, amen. Craven like hey, you people are all about smoking. Baba udokotela wabesizibojalo. This may teach you something. Kunento ofuna mesize isho kule channel ezifundise umuntu. We cannot be talking about izigubhu, izithwalo, inyoka, intambo, impondo. Yes, okay, now. Angikhulume lento. This may teach you something, brother and sisters. But I have to be saying this, but ngizokutshela nje, not all your friends, most of your friends are just seasonally friends. Are friends because it's too cold. You give them lift to work. Are seasonal friends. And then abangani bakho, once they have noticed that you are no longer available for them at all the times, they start to persecute you, find a reason to hate you because of you retreating from public eyes. Ukuba khona phambi kwabo ngaso sonke isikhathi. Like you are studying something at UNISA, at Wits, at Oxford, at University of Cape Town. We are studying something now. We cannot be everywhere. And then abangani bakho, once they notice that, but we are jail. But into ezokwenzeka that you have to understand, some of your friends, they cannot tolerate your height. I repeat. Ukhozi, it is so large. It is like large, but alukwazi ukulwa negwababa. Because igwababa melilwa nokhozi, luhlala la emhlane, likwazi ukuluma la ngemuva. But ukhozi yazi lenza njani? Uyafuna ukwazi? Lenza njena ukhozi. Livesane likhuphuke kakhulu till igwababa can't breathe anymore. Because when you climb too high, your friends will start to fall. When you graduate and they never graduated, and you graduate and you never graduated, and bayaphuma empilweni yakho. Some friends to you, they're like a spacecraft booster. When the rocket is being launched, they use a booster. But when it reaches certain height, the booster cannot tolerate it and it retreats and they fall because the rocket is shooting up. I want you to shoot up. I want you to rise. I want you to reach the level whereby your friends can't tolerate that. Rise up, study hard, academic yourself. When you study, ufunda, awuzulingana nabangani bakho, uzoqala ukhuphuke, they'll start to fall apart because labangani bakho kade bebangani ngoba kade uyisilima are friends of stupid people. That is why you were all over them. That is why they were everywhere. Abangani bakho ke lapho. Labangani laba obabiza ngaba best friend are same people who are the best followers of your enemies. Those people, and then do something about that. But once you start to rise high, and liyasuka igwababa likwazi ukumele height, ukhozi lindize kakhulu, and igwababa melibothe kuphele oxygen and it falls out. Nabangani bakho kube bebona ukuthi kuphele oxygen kuwena, they'll fall out. Let them fall out. Angikhuluma sangathi ngikhuluma nomuntu abangamthandi because he is studying, especially your ex-boyfriend. Akekho umuntu jealous njenge ex-boyfriend okubona esekubona ku social media kade uthwele ijazi. That guy ngizokutshela uthi ayikho into mina engayibuka lona. Mina ngazi yonke into bese sebenzele la gama ngafuna ukulisebenzisa. Asho into enanizenza kwi private space ayisho ku social media because lo muntu akakwazi ukubekezelela ukubona ukhula. Rise up. This is what I'm saying. This is Babu Doctor season chapter. Yeah, bakithi angifuni namhlanje ukunenzela ivideo ende. Ngeke nginenzela ivideo. Uyazi inwele zakho. Kulezo zonke into ezifuna ukuthi umuntu Babu Doctor I need to come to you. I want ngizothwala. I want to ithi bathini? Ngifuna ukuthwala with my soul. No, don't do that to Babu Doctor. Don't do that. Inwele zakho asekudinga ukuthi uthwale ngazo. Zingakwakhela enkulu ingcebo. Sithole zona, sithole rice, sithole 1 rand, sithole gobane lomnenke. Sikukhandele into. Ungilungisela 3500. ungilungisele 3000 just inwele zakho not ukuthi ufuna ukuthwala hey babudokotela ngisa lapha ngicela ukuzothwala with my soul I don't have money no I don't do that yeah ngikhande umuntu esobiza ukuthi uvala amazibuko mavala amazibuko so unikeza umuntu beno 3000 it's whereby sifuna ukuvala isikweleti somuntu uma sisikhulu hayi izikweleti zo2 rand lezi sikhona izikweleti zangempela ithi umuntu babudokotela ngijahwa ama-bank ayi-bank ungcono ujahwa i-bank mase ethi ngijahwa ama-bank babudokotela ngijahwa ama-bank that person he needs us usedinga thina ke lapho sikunawo ukuvala amazibuko sikunike wona ngo-3000 unesigaba ke kukhona lana efuna swakhe mase sithi hayi ndoda uma uthi kanjalo phela lo ngisemali engaka ngeke siyenze into imali engaka ngo-3000 funa ubheka ukuthi emalini ya lo muntu ke bese siba nomuthi esiwusebenzisa kambi yabona uma ubona umuntu wena uyitshela ukuthi yazi abantu sebahamba bephethe ibhamu nje noma ngabe umuntu uyahotela akubo bonke abantu ababona bequmbela bephethe isibhamu abanye basuke bethwele amasimba ngesisu lana kusuke kuyi-septic bag le esukela ngaphansi kuyena what is called it septic bag umuthi udala leyanto sinawo umuthi esubiza ukuthi uvala ididi esifuna ukuthi ungabhoshi lithungeke nyanya kuthungeke sinawo umuthi onjalo lo muthi lona uma wakha ufuna uthole igoga isibeletho sogo sesembila isibeletho sembila esisifunayo isibeletho segoga esisifuna ilokhu ibladder leyo emchamo yegogo isinya segogo isinya sembila sifuna lezo zinto kuma sakha ke uvale ididi la sifuna ukulivala nje straight ungabhosha lento ke mesiyakha siyakhela esidulini sifike sibhoshe esidulini mase sifaka le yanto leyana uvale ididi lo kodwa lo muntu usukumzondileke ya sukumzondile kunendwangu la esetshenziswa kakhulu abazalwane laba abasindisiwe laba abawisa abantu laba nje abawisa abantu le ndwangu le iyakhandwa le ndwangu yabona noma ungangisikela engangebox lamentshisi uze nayo kule ndwangu oyisebenzisayo kuseku right iyakhandwa le ndwangu kufuna sikuthathe sihambe uma sikhanda ke la ndwangu ufuna siyithathe le ndwangu lo sigcobe amafutha ensele sigcobe amafutha engwe sigcobe futhi amafutha emfene but amafutha emfene kube wona amaningi sipixe ngawo le ndwangu ibanga ngebox lamentshisi singazi benkulu ngebox lamentshisi mase sihambe nawe siye emzini omkhulu sifike sihlale 30 minutes ubize le gaba ethi aja kuraja 41 times. How many? 41 times. Mase siqede lapha sihambe solwandle sesolanda the healing spirit. When you speak, somebody must be healed. Sesolanda ke leso spirit ke leso call it is a healing spirit. Yeah, abantu laba basuke befuna izinto ezithe ukusinda nje kakhulu. Into ezithe ukusinda. Uyazi ipoverty ina umthelela ukuthi ekusabeni kwakho ina umthelela. Ipoverty ina umthelela ngoba yabona abantu abasabayo yabona kade ngise Rumpi ngithi ngihamba ngeMalawi Zuma uhamba wethu ngeMalawi indoda unesibindi. When I was in India, Rajasthan, bamthothi eIndia uhamba wethu unesibindi. Kunezinto ezifuna wena wedwa. Kunezinto ezifuna wena wedwa ukuthi uzenze. Wena wedwa ukuthi uzenze. Uma zisadinga abantu akakabi zona. Uma usukhishwa isisu usuku wedwa etoilet kusuke sekunyiwa lapho. Uma usuwedwa kusuke seku serious. Usuke seku serious. Ask your mother uzokutshela ukuthi esewadini wayeseyedwa. Esethi wenesi wayeseyedwa. Mase sekunyoba wedwa. And la usafuna ukuba nabantu khona akenzeki. Engisho ukuthi izinto esiziphethe zangempela esingazikhulumela zangempela kunezinto hayi khehla esingazikhulumela zifuna ube nesibindi kodwa abekho abantu abanesibindi njengabantu baseLimpopo ngakhohliswa umuntu ekutshela abekho abantu abanesibindi njengabantu besifazane base-Eastern Cape. Ngikhuluma mina in a practice of 30 years experience ngiba exposed kulabantu. Akekho umuntu ose-KZN wesifazane mina osekwafika uvuma ukuthi enze lento esenzisa laba abantu base-Eastern Cape. Trust me, come to Limpopo benginesithwalo bengisikhipha ngo250,000 kazivala. Sathi sisimbi. Yo, sisimbi mkhulu sisimbi. Yo, hey madoda futhi. Asisofa siyephi. Hey sizenzile izinto yo. Yabona amakhunywa ngithiwa uyathwala la. Kunento ofuna ukuthi uyenze. Umswazi ukuthi ekazi umusuya ofana oyenzekani. Ya ke nazinto ezenzile khehla. Nazinto ezenzile. Ya kunento ezenzile. Yafika lensizwa seLimpopo iphetha amagaba abantu abawu4 ezophakama ngabo. Phetha amagaba abantu abawu4. Kathi mina banemiyami ngaki labantu washo. Kathi indaba basebenzise wathi hayi ngidivozile bahambe nonina. Kathi ngeke khehla. Ngeke kulunga. Isithwala senziwa out of retaliation, out of anger. Awuthwali ngomuntu omdinele, uthwala ngomuntu omthandayo, the best friend. And futhi awulethe abantu abawu4, lethe umuntu oyedwa sona sizozikhethela abawu3. Ngaloo ndlela ke saphikisana ke. Engisho ukuthi banesibindi. Engisho ukuthi if ngempela khona into oyaziyo. Khona into osoyicabangile. Uyazibona njengoba una 58. Uyaretire manje. Usuyile uko-check njengoba usebenza bathi imali ozoyithola yi-1.8 taxable with so much. Uma usuqedela umuzi ke lona osanda ukuthenga ona 7 years awuthenga webond. If indlu yebond sithathile imali ezosala kwena u420,000. Vese ke kuyacaca ukuthi ke lale moto le vese unonyaka uyikhokhelisa una 2 years uyikhokhelisa lelo 3 years. If ithatha le moto uzosala no120,000 rand. Ebank oretire uzobuya uyodayisa amagwinya esikoleni. Uzoba discipline. Uzoshalela amagceke omakhelwane ngoba nona inkinga nokushalela igceke. Yabona ngoba uyazisaba lezi zinto. That is what will happen to you. Ingane yakho izoqhuma untanga wenu. Uzumncoma umntanga wenu uthi ungadlaleki ngengane yami. Ngiyazi ngadlala ke ngane kade angibunzi odlala. Usho kuntanga wenu othandana nengane yakhe na 28 years. Ubona sathi kuyijoke. Ingane yakho ayenzi ngoba imthanda. Ingoba iyakwazi ukuthi la ekhaya impilo kube ngconywana. Kuzokwenza kanjalo lokho. Ingane yakho. Umfana wakho lona omthanda ngaka at the age of 17 njobe eyiburuza nje. Sinento leThekwini esibiza ama-collar boy. Abafana lapho. Bala ku Victoria Embankment, Acute Street, Albany uyabathola lapho. Wehlwe point uyabathola lapho. Florida uyabathola lapho. Devonport uyabathola, Umhlanga uyabathola, Gateway labaphezulu uyabathola ama-collar boy. Umfana wakho uzoba i-collar boy. Uma i-collar boy umfana ngicela ukuthi ungayichazi lento ngoba izophazamisa abantu abaningi. It because okwenza ukuthi ingane yakhe be-collar boy. It because wena baba as a father you traded them ngabo, udayisile ngabo. Usabile into ezenziwa ontanga benu. Ubugxeka yonke into. Today this is what. Yabona ingane emi-collar boy. Phinde iganwe leyangane. Ngoba iyalimala ingqondo yana nemizwa iyalimala. Ama-collar boy awenza into ejwayelekile. Ungaphinde ingane yakho uhlale nawe ibize ngondodana. Engisho ukuthi kunezinto ingane zethu ezenzayo namakhosikazi agcina ezenza. Angazenziswa ukuthi but azenzisa ukuthi ubaba has been a craven person ube uyigwala uyosabela izinto kungcono ukuthi uthathe into kodwa wazi ukuthi uma uhamba uzoshiyela ingane lakho nezinto ezinama assets are right have asset as a man not ukuthi have golf 7 as a man no sikhulu mngane imoto is not an asset that you can talk about asset anganyakazi have flats have houses as a man but awukwazi ukwenza lokho because uyasaba awukwazi ukwenza lokho because uyasaba because I understand once you reach 55 years old you become very cheap ku employment chain once you become 60 years old you become very cheap wena sengakuthatha mina instead of ngikunika u300 ngosuku sengakuthatha ngithi nayi umfile zokunika u80 uhambe ngokazi abamushadelo wagcina lapha yana uthathe nalo dodo ubeke lapha mekufela abadodo bahamba then sungasusa nje ukhula lapha sungasusa lokhulu ngapha sikhuluma and zamani ukuthi menzele mjwah zama ukuthi bakwenze lento ozoyidla ungahamba ungadlanga ngizama ukuthi liyashisa ke ilanga namhlanje sebenza kodwa wazi ukuthi liyashisa ilanga imali yakho uzoyithatha manje indaba ungayithatha after 10 days waphela uzobe seku 800 le mali indaba ungayithatha hey wona zomayazi ungangisiza mengiyithatha umthamo o80 rand about 10 ubiza ngokuthi umthamo lonto angithi phela nobamba ngaloko ishela imhlophe nje ngophela u3200 lona plus uhola impatient ukusho uhola 5000 iningi lo mali ucheap kakhulu wena ucheap kakhulu sekunika u80 rand ngosuku umuntu mina ngabe ngamqashela ngimnika u300 because of una 60 izinto kade zenziwa amanye amadoda uyisabile ibreakfast yami eGordon Court ayiwona u80 rand just ibreakfast mengiya ku breakfast angihambi ngedwa sihamba sibe u2 wena ngikunika imali engayidlina ngebreakfast ngikunika imali izolo kade ngise Elangeni Hotel 450 rand umuntu emunye bese u3 bese bekuyimina umunye umsebenzi wami ozongiphakela mageba nalo ngeke ngikwazi ukudisclose bese u3 sidla nje ebusuku ngeke wena uyenze lento because akunento oyisabayo kunezinto oyisabayo mina angisabi kwaphoqa isimo lana kwaphoqa ukuthi ngiyelisuthu ebusuku ngathatha usibaro wami ngoba as an exchange mja kufuze ngiye ebusuku mengisuka elisuthu straight ngiya eJohannesburg ngakwenza konke lokho because if usuthathe le decision ukuthi hayi okwenzeka kwenzeke but angeke ngize ngife ngimile ufuna ngife ngigijima ya engisho ukuthi sizokunika lezi zinto but inkinga ukuthi uyasaba and njengoba usaba nje kuzokwenza ukuthi wena ugcina usebenzela thina esingasabanga uzogcina udrivera thina esingasabanga uzogcina upraise thina esingasabanga. This is Babu Dr. Boyces Bochalo. Mfana mhleja kahle ngizula mancenze. Love you all. Goodbye.